It was a very well thought out flyover to ease the congestion coming from Mormugao Port Authority. We are dreaming, Gadkariji, to make Goa the largest trading hub and logistics and trading hub. We have brought in a new policy. If that has to happen, there has to be seamless movement of traffic right from Mormugao Port right up till Verna, touching the different highways. For this to happen, that flyover is required. Everybody has to cooperate. It is not that only National Highway will do everything. Thanks to your goodness, you have brought about a revolution in the entire country. It is said the development of a country is to be judged by the roads it has. Yes, you have brought about a sea change in the entire country. Today everybody is seeing it, and today the world is watching us. We can move, we can land our aircrafts on our highways, and that's how we recently taught Pakistan a lesson when they tried and removed the sindoor of innocent women. Even your highways came in handy, wherein you were able to land our sophisticated aircraft. We were prepared for anything. Even today, our Honorable Prime Minister is prepared. We are not going to keep quiet. As against this background,